Hi, awesome Logger leaders. So here is my virtual guidance office, and this is what I told you in the first video that I'd be showing you. And so this might seem kind of silly because it's a guidance office online, but of course, like you know, I do still have my normal guidance office, and it is here in the school, right next to Mr. Schultz's room, and right next to Mrs. Ashley and Mrs. Grappa. And this is just my fun, just online office for just to use once in a while. And so here, this is me right here. It's just like, it's a bit emoji. So if you know what those are, that's what I made just to try to make it look like it was me in my office, like normal. And I'm just saying hi. And then right here, if you can see my mouse right now, this is my little sand tray. And I actually have one of those in my office too. It's not very big, but it's kind of fun. And then here's some fish, and I wish I had those in my room. I don't have them in my office. But you guys know I have a couple plants in my office, and I do have a bookshelf in my office, and I have a lot of books. Right here, there's only 3 books, but I have a ton of books in my office, thanks to Mrs. Winter for helping me get all those throughout the years. And they're really good books, and some of them are really good follow-ups to guidance class. So teachers, if you ever want to borrow any of my books, feel free to. They're great books, so you can always just ask me. Or I can show you sometime. I have an old-fashioned library system set up where you write your name and the book in the card. And so you can always feel free to do that too. And then here's some music. I like to have music in my office once in a while. And here's this poster of just how are you feeling today? And it's just showing the different emotions. And we'll be talking about that in guidance class too throughout the year. And then here's glitter jars. I love those glitter jars that you shake and you watch to take a deep breath and to calm down. Here's some yoga. Yoga is another great thing that you can do to calm yourself down and to make yourself feel peaceful and happy. And when you click on all these posters, it actually takes you to a link to do it. So we'll do that another time. I don't think we'll have time to do that today, but sometime for guidance class, we can click on that, and then it will take us to a video to do yoga. So that'd be fun to do. And then you guys might remember these frogs on here. It says, do your best, be a Kelso star. So remember Kelso and Lily. And actually, I forgot. I want to show them to you. So I'll just be right back. I'm just going to grab them quick to show you. And you can look around the virtual guidance office. Just 1 second. Ribbit, ribbit. Do you see Kelso and Lily? They have masks on too because they're Kelso stars and they're Logger leaders and they like to follow the rules. So I just thought that was kind of fun, and I wanted to show you in case you haven't been in my office yet to see that. So there they are. And then right here, this is belly breathing. So that's my favorite thing to do to calm myself down. And we all, just like we have different favorite things about being outside, and just like we have differences about us, we all have maybe different things that we like to do to calm down, and that is mine. And so I just love taking deep breaths, and there's so many different ways we can do that. So let's do that one first. So I'm just going to click on this here, and you should be seeing the same screen as me, hopefully. And it's saying long breath out and deep breath in. And you'll notice that ball on the screen is getting smaller as you breathe out and larger as you breathe in. And that is the same as our bellies when we breathe, right, you guys? So everyone right now, you can put your hands on your belly actually. And you can follow along and breathe with this ball, this breathing ball. And we'll just do a couple more all together. Good job. So you might notice that our bellies are kind of like that ball because, at least for me, my belly goes out when I breathe in because I take in a lot of air with a deep breath, right? And it fills me up. And then when I breathe out, it goes back in. So if you didn't notice that, maybe you want to pause the video and try it again. But I'd also like you to pause the video right now, teachers, because maybe some people want to share how they're feeling. Because, like I said, this is just one of our many options to calm ourselves down and to feel peaceful and happy. And so maybe, I know we didn't do it very long, but maybe some people in the classroom are feeling a little bit calm right now, or maybe you're noticing how you're feeling. Maybe something about your shoulders relaxing, anything that you're feeling. So if you want, you can pause the video right now. And if anyone wants to share how they're feeling after doing that exercise, this would be a good time too. And I'll just click on one more thing now before we end guidance class today, because these are just so fun. So I just want to show you this quick.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
All right. So of course, in-person glitter jars that you can shake yourself and watch are probably more fun, but this is a fun thing we can do as a backup for now too. So teachers will just watch this for a little while, and if you're out of time, you can go ahead and end the video and end guidance class. But if you still have some time left, you can just continue watching it.